Welcome to Morelia, Mexico, a city filled with rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. In this video, I'll take you on a tour of this beautiful city located in the heart of Michoacan, Mexico. From historic architecture to delicious cuisine, there is so much to explore in Morelia. Join me as we visit iconic landmarks such as the Cathedral de Morelia, Plaza de Armas, and much more. We will also dive into the city's rich cultural heritage by exploring museums, markets, and some of the best restaurants in the city. Get ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant colors and flavors of Morelia as I showcase the best that this charming city has to offer. My name is Israel and I'm from Mexico City. I upload travel videos every 2 weeks, so if you like what you see, then you should check out my other videos, because if you love traveling, then I'm sure you will enjoy my other videos. Thanks for watching and welcome to Morelia. Hello guys, it's Israel, and today, as you saw in the title, I'm going to show you Morelia. Morelia is a beautiful city located in central Mexico in the state of Michoacan. This is actually one of my favorite cities in Mexico. It's such a beautiful city. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it has so much to offer. So if you're in Mexico and you're planning to visit somewhere near Mexico City, this is a great option. It's only 4 hours away from the city and it has everything. It has delicious food, beautiful architecture, and it has a lot of art festivals, food festivals, guitar festivals, everything you can imagine. So in this video, I will show you everything you need to know about Morelia, where to eat, what to see. Are you ready? Let's explore the city. Come on. Okay guys, so I am outside the Morelia Cathedral, definitely the star of the city. This is the most popular tourist attraction in Morelia. If you come here, you have to come. It's such a beautiful cathedral. I think it's one of the most beautiful churches in Mexico actually. This is a Catholic church and it has a very interesting story. So before this cathedral you're seeing right here, there used to be a smaller version which was inaugurated in 1580, but that church got on fire and there were a few problems. And also the city was growing so much, so they decided to destroy that church and build another one, which is this church, the Catedral de Morelia. This was finished in 1660 and it was built by an Italian architect, which I forgot the name. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. By the way, all the area around here, around the cathedral, is pedestrian, so it's very easy to walk around. One thing I love about Morelia is that it's very walkable. If you come to Morelia, you don't need a car, you don't need to rent a car. You can just walk around the city. A lot of streets are only for pedestrians, so that's very good because you can just walk around and relax. I know some of you guys are concerned about the safety here in Morelia. Now, look, Morelia is located in Michoacan. Michoacan is a state that in recent years has become a little bit dangerous. Some areas though. Michoacan is a big state, so that doesn't mean that all Michoacan is dangerous, you know? But in Morelia's case, I feel completely safe. I arrived yesterday, I walk around with my stuff, with all my equipment, and so far I've been feeling really safe. Michoacan state, yes, it has some dangerous areas, but again, it's not all the state. And also, Morelia is very touristy. There's a lot of tourists from Mexico and the United States. So obviously there's a lot of police. I've seen a lot of police around here, so you feel like they are taking care of you and you can trust that you'll be fine. Don't worry, like the historic center of Morelia is completely fine. Maybe if you go to the ghettos or somewhere that is not, you know, nice, obviously you might be in danger, but so far it feels completely fine, really safe. Another thing I've noticed about Morelia, it has a very beautiful weather. Morelia offers a very mild year-round weather. It's kind of like Mexico City in April or May. It can get really hot sometimes, but in general, the weather in Morelia is very mild, beautiful. It's a beautiful weather. It's very similar to Mexico City. I feel like most cities in central Mexico have very similar weathers, which is, you know, very mild. It doesn't get too cold, it doesn't get too hot. It's always like, you know, really nice. However, this morning was a little bit chilly because right now we are in February It's February and it was a little bit cold, so that's why I brought this jacket with me. But it's slowly starting to get warmer. I feel like I'm gonna take this off soon because it's getting warmer. So yeah, the weather in Morelia is beautiful. You're gonna love it. It has a great weather. So on this trip, I'm staying in this hotel called Casa Vieja, located right in the heart of the city. It's actually located 2 blocks away from the main cathedral. So I highly recommend this hotel. This hotel has been such a nice experience. The service was very, very good. The hotel is beautiful and it's really, really central. Also, something I love is that at night it's very quiet, so you can sleep like a baby. So if you're visiting Morelia and you want to have an amazing stay, don't forget to stay here. I highly recommend it. Casa Vieja Hotel. So amazing. Okay guys, I'm gonna split this video into 2 parts because as you can see, there is a lot to see in Morelia. So stay tuned because on my next video, I will show you the rest of the city that I didn't show you on this part. And on my next video, I will focus a lot on food. You guys know that food is one of my favorite parts about traveling, and on my next video I will show you some of the best spots in the city to have amazing Mexican food. Morelia has very good restaurants and it also has one of the best street food scenes in Mexico. The food scene in Morelia is amazing, so stay tuned because next week I will reveal the best spots in Morelia to have epic food. Anyways, thank you so much for watching and for your support. You guys are amazing. If you like this video and you would like to support this channel, the best way to do it is with a thumbs up. You can also comment on this video or share it with your friends. That way you will help this video reach more people and help other travelers. You can also support this project with a super thanks or PayPal. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys on my next video. Adios!